So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. Okay. So look at the sum. Limit x tends to pi, sin 3x by sin 2x is equal to dash. Four options have been given. Clear? Only one option is correct. Which one is correct we have to find. Okay. So I am starting the solution. Limit x tends to pi, sin 3x by sin 2x. Okay. So what will I do? Let pi minus x is equal to z. Okay, clear? Let pi minus x is equal to z. Okay, when x tends to pi, when x tends to pi, z tends to 0. Clear? Let pi minus x is equal to z. Clear? When x tends to pi, okay, z tends to 0. Clear? So therefore limit x tends to pi, sin 3x by sin 2x, sin 3x by sin 2x can be written as limit z tends to 0, limit z tends to 0, sin 3 x will be pi minus z, sin 2 pi minus z. Clear? Okay, so this can be written as limit z tends to 0, sin 3 pi minus 3z. Clear? And here sin 2 pi minus 2z. Clear? So now this can be written as limit z tends to 0, sin 3 pi minus 3z can be written as sin 6 into pi by 2 minus 3z. Okay, and sin 2 pi can be written as sin 4 into pi by 2 minus 2z. Clear? So now this can be written as limit z tends to 0, sin 6 into pi by 2. 6 is an even number, so sin will remain sin 3z. Now see it is in which quadrant? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That means it is in the second quadrant, right? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive, so it will remain positive. Okay, and now see here it is in the fourth quadrant, but sin 4 is, since 4 is an even number, so sin will remain sin 2z. Okay, now see it is in which quadrant? It is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sin is negative, so here we will put one minus. Okay, so sin 3z minus sin 2z. Okay, clear? So this minus will come out, so minus limit z tends to 0, sine 3z by sine 2z. Clear? Now see, this can be written as minus limit z tends to 0 3z sine 3z into 3z. Sine 3z, here was only sine 3z, so I divided sine 3z by 3z and multiplied. Okay, so since we have to remain this form, so I divided then multiplied. Okay, then sine 2z, this also I will do the same case, sine 2z by 2z into 2z. Clear? So this z and z will get multiplied, get cancelled, so this 3 by 2 will come out again, minus 3 by 2. Okay, minus 3 by 2 into limit z tends to 0 3z by sine 3z by 3z. Okay, then sine 2z by clear? Okay, now what will you do? Let now what will I do? Yes, no need to write let now. So this can be written as minus 3 by 2 into limit z tends to 0 sine 3z by 3z. Okay, clear? Then limit z tends to 0 sine 2z by 2z. So now watch it. Okay, so now what will you do? Let let 3z is equal to u. Okay, so when z tends to 0, u also tends to 0. Okay, and let 2z is equal to v. Okay, when z tends to 0, v also tends to 0. Okay, so therefore minus 3 by 2 into limit z tends to 0 sine 3z by 3z. Okay, limit z tends to 0 sine 2z by 2z can be written as minus 3 by 2 into limit u tends to 0, limit u tends to 0 sine 3z is equal to u, so sine u by u. Okay, then here limit v tends to 0, v tends to 0, 2z is equal to v, so sine v by v. Okay, so this can be written as minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 1. So the answer will be finally minus 3 by 2. Clear? So which option is correct? Certainly option number D. Clear? Thanks for watching.